Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So today is the day for the big announcement. I've been holding this for so long. I'm so excited to finally release it. But my announcement for today is that Little Gretchen's Workshop is going live, and it's scheduled for April 20th, which is this coming Saturday, April 20th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So during the live, there will be giveaways, and Little Gretchen's Workshop is solely responsible for this giveaway. YouTube is in no way responsible for what I give away, getting it to you or anything. It's going to be a random draw. You must be a subscriber, and you must be present during the live when I give you instructions on what to do to be entered into the random draw. But full details about the rules will be in the description of this video, and I will be showing you at the end of this video what I will be giving away. I'm really excited, and this is just this giveaway is a thank you to all of my subscribers and all of you all who have been with me. I want an opportunity to give you something, to give back to my community, which has given so much to me. And I really just want you dolls to know that how much I appreciate you and how excited I am about the growth of the channel. It has just been an incredible journey. The camaraderie, the friendship, all of you wonderful dolls have been just so precious to me, and I just want you to know how much I appreciate it. So that's what this giveaway is all about. I'm really excited about you all being in attendance, so definitely put it on your calendars so you don't miss it. Now you will be able to, I'm really excited about us being able to interact in real time. So if you have some simple questions you want to ask me while we're on the live, that'll be great. I'm going to be sharing some other things about the channel during the live, but if you have questions that are what I would say more complex that can't be answered simply, I really would prefer if you just go ahead and email me, and I can answer you in the email. So I will be providing you details about a two-step verification to make sure that I am getting the gift to the right person. So I will be able to give you those instructions when the live starts. But I'm just really excited about that. And dolls, I just want you to know how much I appreciate you for being here right now. So let me just go ahead and share with you what I have, share with you what I'll be giving away, so you'll know why you want to be in attendance to that live. And again, it's April 20th, this Saturday, from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm giving away. So this little ensemble is one of the sets that I'll be giving away. It's a purse, a travel bag, and a hat box. And then we have a straw bag, a hat, and a perfume tray with perfume bottles. And then we have a piece of luggage with a straw bag and a hat box as well for this one. And then there's a bundle with hangers, slippers, perfume bottles, a purse, and a hat box. And then last but not least, there is a suitcase. Now this suitcase is got a hat box with a bonnet inside, perfume bottles, a picture frame, 2 books. It's got a little fan that I made and a shirt. Now the pieces are removable. Now the suitcase itself does not close, but the items all fit in there really neatly, so you can take them out, refill the luggage if you want to, but all the pieces are removable, but the suitcase itself does not close, and it's finished all the way around, but it's made to stay open and be filled with the little treasures and things. So I just wanted to make sure that I made that part clear. So dolls, this is the complete video today, just to announce that Little Gretchen's Workshop is going live again Saturday, April 20th at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So dolls, make sure you put it on your calendar, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.